Guys, I just came back from Mekong Asian Market grocery shopping and Walmart. I want to show you what it looks like to have 1 week worth of grocery for 2 people. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you the groceries that we purchased from Mekong. So we have this charge. I got this from Mekong for 99 cents a bunch. And this probably would cost me like $3 in my local grocery stores. That's why I like Asian Market, because they're very cheap. And I got me salmon, 2 pounds. That is total of $19 for 2 pounds, which is I like. Also, I have a cucumber here, and I also got this lemongrass. I might plant them so I can have more lemongrass. I love lemongrass to cook with my chicken. And I have broccoli, believe it or not. This is like 3 pounds of broccoli, and only paid $1.40. And we have ginger. This probably would cost me $4 in Bashas, and I only paid like 65 cents for all of this. And I love kimchi, so gotta have kimchi. This one is like $7 a bottle. And I have a sweet rice. Do not know what to do with it yet. I might probably make a putu maya. Then I have mung bean seeds. I might sprout that into a sprouting tray. And I got this nice brown beach mushrooms. They're only 99 cents a package, and I got me 2. And lemon from Asian Market, 3 of them for 99 cents. So in Walmart, that's probably 69 cents each. My favorite one, seaweed salad. This is ready to eat. I'm gonna eat them tonight. That's very delicious, also very healthy. Of course, I've got duck eggs. I will mix this up with tomatoes. That's so nice. And cream crackers. I remember my mom bought this all the time, and found this today in Mekong. It's probably take me a month to eat this. And I got Skyplex, my favorite. So it's so seldom that we're going to Asian Market, so I grabbed 2. This probably will take us about 6 months to finish this, especially I'm the only ones eating that. So those are the products that we bought from Asian Market. Now the Walmart, I got this cooked chicken, lechon manok. It's only $5 and still very hot. I can't wait to eat that. We got boca burgers. I sometimes make some boca sandwich. It's supposed to be original turkey BG burgers. Got this from Walmart. And chicken. I mixed this chicken in soup. And I got coconut to make some putu maya. We got some bread. We also have chicken breast here for lunch meat. I make some sandwiches for my husband and for myself for work. And I bought this turkey smoked sausage. 2 package, $2.50 each. We got some almond milk. That's like $1 something a box. Got some fresh tomatoes, bananas for my smoothies. And I got cran grape. And got me some sliced frozen mushroom. I like to saute that. And baby carrots. This is our snacks. We love to munch on baby carrots. And of course, the fresh okra is so hard to find, so I got me some cut frozen okra. $2 for probably 2 pounds. It's pretty big. Got us 6 pound total of grapes, and they're so delicious. They're only 77 cents a pound. Got me 3 bags. And apple juice. I mix that with my smoothies, especially with my aloe vera juice. And the last one, I've got some seaweeds. This is a dry seaweed, so I think how many inside? It has 24 packs. So I take 1 a day to work, and that's I snack on it. This is what the grocery for a week, guys. That's the Walmart, and this is from the Asian Market. So as you can see, there is not much meat. Like, we don't have pork and beef, nothing of that sort. We've stopped eating pork and beef for a while now. probably 2 years or more. So there you go. This is for 2 people, guys. That's America for you. Everything's so expensive, but anyways, we love to try to eat healthy food, and we try to avoid lots of pork and beef. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, and I hope you do like this video and give this video a big thumbs up and like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next video. Tata!